it's always funny having two of the same sounding cars, but not for long. What's going on today, guys? In this video, we are finally going to be swapping the wheels and tires on my GTN line. Of course, you guys know which wheels are going on. That's right, the bright blue ones, because you know those wheels are my favorite. I put a lot of time and money into those as well, picking the color and of course paying to get all the finishing done. But yeah, anyways, we are going to be putting on the Wedsport SA55Ms in the I forget what color. I think it's Illusion light blue. But anyways, I had new tires mounted on since last year, and these are going to be the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, the same tires that are on the G70. But anyways, yes, while I had these tires mounted, they did get a little damage from the dealership that installed them, as you can see right there. So what I did to fix that was actually use a little bit of clear nail polish to just kind of prevent any other chipping from happening and stuff like that. And it actually did fill in a couple parts enough to where it kind of covered up the damage. So this is just what I use to help touch up and protect the powder coat from chipping anymore. But yeah, that's about it on that story. I did add some third-party TPMS sensors, which hopefully they work. This car self-programs a TPMS, so I'm hoping it's the same as the OEM and they self-program. And another thing I want to do really quick before I throw wheels on the car is actually weigh the factory wheel and tire setup against the Wedsport wheel and tire setup. The scale I have is only capable of weighing up to 50 pounds. I know the Wedsports are going to be under that, but I'm not sure the factory is going to be under that. So let me go grab the scale really quick and then we can go ahead and weigh these wheels. Here is the first look at the fitment. Of course, it's stock ride height. Man, you just cannot beat the look of a lowered car. But we're not doing that right now. So there's the fitment. It's pretty much dead even the edge of the tire with the top of the fender here. I mean, look, yeah, that's pretty much dead even flush is what I would call it on a stock fitment. Again, these are 18 by 8 plus 45 offset. I think a plus 40, which, you know, I do have those spacers with the built-in hub-centric rings. I think that would look okay too, but I think that's about right for a stock height car. And then, you know, of course, when you lower it, you get extra camber and everything like that. But for stock ride height car, I think that is the perfect spec to go with. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car. I'll catch you guys in a minute and show you guys the results. So there you guys have it, the new wheels for the Elantra GT. Well, they're not really new, but they're more like reused wheels for the Elantra GT. I have to say I'm not as big of a fan of the blue on the darker gray as I am the blue on the silver, but it's really not that bad. It's still a neutral color that a lot of things go well with. So for the time being, those are the wheels that are going to be on the Elantra GT. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And one other thing I'd like to show you guys before I end this video is I went ahead and I added the I30N door sill plates that many of you guys have seen from the Facebook group, if you guys are within the Facebook group. Those look killer, and there is a group buy on them right now for the I30N door sill plates. So if you guys go to the Facebook group for the 2018 plus models, you guys will go ahead and see that group buy. So if you guys want to get yourself a set of the I30N door sill plates, there is a group buy. It is $110 in the United States and $140 shipped within Canada. So I'll go ahead and leave a link to that group buy down below if you guys are interested in those, but those look freaking cool. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the group buy on the I30N door sill plates if you guys are interested. But once again, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really helps me out. Comment down below what you guys think of the wet sports on the Elantra GT. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.